Alright, and the last thing I want to discuss with you today is operations of a variable on itself. Okay, that's not the last one. There's still comments, but we are pretty much covered with comments because this are all comments and they are not run by the code. But yeah, basically, when you want to, let's say over here, you see I write txt plus end. But what if I don't want to just do this, to print this out? Because you see, if I add end to txt, the txt, it will not change. It will still be all this thing, I'll need to save this entire thing into a new variable, like I did here, to actually have a variable containing the changed variable. So for example, if I would want to add txt so string new, okay, not new t equal to text 1, or even txt1, no, let it be just text, the hello one, text 1 plus, for example, John. And you see, in this case, this new t will now contain this entire thing, but this text 1, it still contains just this hello. Just to show it, let me just print txt1 and let's print new t. Okay, and yes, so as you can see, we changed this value, but this one should remain constant. Oh, okay, you see, I printed them, so they just printed one by one. So let's just do this. I'll just print one of them first and then the other one. Oops, printed the wrong one by mistake. Okay, you see hello. Yes. Oh, that's why I did not print out properly, because I wrote txt. Okay, then. And as you can see, it's just hello, yeah, because the original did not change. And new t, now it should both print hello for the text one, and hello John, the one which was changed, which was saved into new t. Well, what if we want to just use this one variable text1, and we want to change the value of that to hello John? Well, as I mentioned before, we can do it this way. So text1 equal to text1 plus John. And now let's print it out again. So now, what happens over here? What happens in any program is, first the right side of the assignment operator, this is equal to sign over here, this gets evaluated. So text1 is hello, and John is John. Afterwards, it gets saved in here. And this is exactly the same variable, and that does not matter. It still evaluates all of this first, and then saves it in here. So in this case, it just updates this variable with a new value, which is like a total of all these values to the right. And so now, text1 should change what it contains. See? It also prints out hello John. As you can see here, it printed out just hello, because it did not change over here. Well, isn't this a little long to write though? Like this repeat twice. Can't we just have some short form for signifying that we are performing something on this variable? and there actually is. So there's the short form of string operations on self. And that is, for example, if I take, so we have this new t, no, I already have hello John in txt1, so why don't I add even more to that? So how you'll do this, plus equal to, as I told before. And over here I'll add something like John Boo, I don't know. Not good with coming up with names. So first over here we add John to the text, and here in exactly the same way we add more of it. So this and this, they mean pretty much the same. So if I wrote John over here, it would be it have an exact same effect. So let's run it now. Okay, yeah, sorry, I did not print it out. Hello John Boo. Look, also notice that I kept space over here just so that there is a space after John, because there was a space after hello, so we didn't need the space before John. Yeah, and this works as I same for integers, like you can add, subtract, multiply, and divide by itself in this way. So like plus equal to 3, and it will be equal to text plus 3.